Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well. So, I am your maths teacher and let's begin the maths. So, lastly we did exercise 1.1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 5 and question number 6. So, now let's begin with the question number 7. So, what question number 7 says, in a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is magic square. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला गया है, यहाँ पे दो स्क्वायर दिए हैं, उसमें नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं और बोला गया है कि कोई भी एक मैजिक स्क्वायर है और जो मैजिक स्क्वायर है उसकी रो, कॉलम और डायगोनल का सम सेम होता है. सो इन दोनों में से कौन सा वो मैजिक स्क्वायर है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट दैट मैजिक स्क्वायर? फॉर दैट वी हैव टू परफॉर्म the addition of row, addition of column and addition of diagonal. So let's take one of them. I'll take this one, first one. Now we have to write the first row. Where is the first row? Here, as you can see, 5 minus 1 and minus 4. So let's write 5 plus in the bracket minus 1 plus in the bracket minus 4. Now is equal to, what I have to do? I have to just remove the bracket first. So 5 plus, here it should be plus or minus. See, minus plus is what? According to our rules, minus plus is minus. So minus 1. Again minus plus. So it is minus 4. Now as you can see, we have 5, we have minus 1 and we have minus 4. So first of all, see, here I'll let 5 as it is. I'll do this too. So 4 minus 1, both are the negative terms. Minus minus here, minus minus is what? Plus. So what perform I have to do? I have to do addition. So इन दोनों डिजिट का मैं एडिशन करूँगा, तो 4 और 1. So 4 and 1. So 4 plus 1 is what? 5. I am not putting any sign here, just writing 5. Now next step is putting sign. What sign should I put here? See, what is the bigger digit here? It is 4. So what I should put here? Minus. Why? Because bigger digit has a minus sign. That's why 5 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 is lastly what? It is 0. Easy? Let's take second row. Minus 5, minus 2 and 7. See, minus 5 plus in the bracket, here minus 2 plus in the bracket 7. See, 7 I don't have to write in bracket because it is already plus. So now minus 5 plus in the bracket minus 2 plus 7. So again I will open the bracket. So minus, here minus plus, minus 2, here plus 7. Now again I will do this too. See, one of them have a negative sign, one of them have a positive sign. So minus 5 as it is, I will write here minus 5. Now this two term, 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is what? Is also 5. But the sign is here positive. Why positive? Because the bigger digit has a positive sign. That's why. So now again plus 5 minus 5 is what? 0. Easy. Same as the third row. What third row says? 0 plus 3 minus plus minus bracket 3. See, 0 plus 3 plus bracket minus 3. Now 0. So 0 plus 3 has the same. Now open this bracket. So plus minus minus. So that is minus 3. So now plus 3 minus 3 is what? 0 plus here these two, it is also 0. So 0 plus 0 is also 0. So third term is also 0. Now let's do column. See, first we will do row. Now about column. So first column, here this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row. Now column. See, this is called column and the horizontal is called row. So now we did horizontal, now we did vertical addition. 5 plus minus 5 plus 0. So 5 plus in the bracket minus 5 plus 0. See 5 as it is, open the bracket, minus plus minus 5 plus 0. Now we don't have to add 0 with anything, because you know if 0 is what? 0 is additive identity. If you add any number with the 0, you will get the same number. So if I add with the 0, see, suppose I will do with this 2. So 5. If you add any number with the 0, you will get the same number. So again minus 5. Why? Because 0 is additive identity, as you know. So that's why. Now plus 5 minus 5, again cancel out, it is become 0. So here till here in 3 row and 1 column we get the same answer. Now move on the second column. Second column is minus 1, minus 2 and 3. So let's take minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 3. Again see, open the bracket. So here minus 1 plus minus minus, that is minus 2 plus 3. So is equal to, now minus 1, minus 2 and 3. So now let's take this 2. 3 minus 2 is what? Minus 1 as it is. Now 3 minus 2 is what? I am not putting sign here, I am just writing 1. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. Why 3 minus 2? Negative positive is what? Negative positive is negative. मीन्स हमको क्या परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे हमको सब्ट्रैक्शन परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा. सो बिगर डिजिट में से स्मॉलर डिजिट माइनस करूँगा, सब्ट्रैक्शन करूँगा, तो 3 में से 2 जाएगा, कितना रहेगा 1. सो मैंने लिख दिया 1. नाउ आई हैव टू पुट साइन हियर. अब साइन कौन सा आएगा, नेगेटिव आएगा या पॉजिटिव आएगा? विच साइन शुड आई पुट हियर? थिंक. यस, it is positive. Why positive? Because bigger digit is 3 and 3 has a positive sign, so that's why I put positive. Now minus 1 plus 1, it is 0. Easy. Still here we got 0. We are close. Now third row is minus 4, 7 and minus 3. Third row minus 4 plus 7 plus minus 3. See, minus 4, 7 and minus 3. Again open the bracket. So this one becomes minus 4 plus 7 as it is. Now plus minus minus. So that's why 3, minus 3. Now again do this. I will take this 2. Minus 4 as it is मैं लिख दूंगा यहाँ पे. I will write as it is minus 4 plus minus माइनस. सो क्या करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्शन परफॉर्म करेंगे. सो सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे, 7 में से 3 जाएगा, कितना रहेगा 4. सो मैं यहाँ 4 लिख रहा हूँ, साइन नहीं रख रहा, ओनली 4. नाउ व्हाट साइन शुड आई पुट हियर? सी, विथ इन दोनों में से बिगर डिजिट कौन सा है? विच वन इज अ बिगर डिजिट? 7. 7 हैज अ साइन ऑफ पॉजिटिव, सो आई विल राइट हियर प्लस 4. नाउ प्लस 4 माइनस 4, अगेन 0. सो एज यू कैन सी, हमने कॉलम्स का एडिशन किया, देन रोज का एडिशन किया. नाउ एज यू कैन सी, रो एडिशन, इन ऑल रो एडिशन वी गॉट 0, इन ऑल कॉलम एडिशन वी गॉट 0. नाउ द लास्ट स्टेप वी हैव टू डू एडिशन ऑफ डायगोनल्स. डायगोनल्स मीन्स दिस टर्म, ये हो गया हमारा डायगोनल, दिस एंड दिस वन, दिस इज डायगोनल. सो वी हैव टू एड दिस 2. सो डायगोनल कैसे करेंगे? लेट्स डू दिस. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स डू द एडिशन ऑफ डायगोनल. सो फर्स्ट डायगोनल आई विल टेक 5, minus 2 and minus 3. So here first diagonal is 5, the second term is minus 2 plus the third term is what? Minus 3. So as you can see, 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. Now I will write second diagonal also. See, second diagonal minus 4 plus here minus 2 plus the last term is 0. So 0. Now do the addition of both. Okay, so let's solve first one. 5. First of all we will leave the brackets here. 5 minus, why minus? Because minus plus is minus 2 and the minus plus minus is 3. So is equal to, now again minus minus is what? Minus minus plus here. So we will perform addition. So 3 plus 2 is what? 5. पहले मैं इसको as it is लिख दूंगा. Now again 3 plus 2 is what? 3 plus 2 is 5. Now I'll put sign. Both have negative sign, so obviously I have to put negative sign, and bigger digit have also negative sign. So 5 minus 5 is what? It is 0. So I'll write here. It is 0. So that's why 5 minus 5 is 0. Now this term. First of all solve the bracket. Minus 4 minus 2 and plus 0. Now I'll write first term as it is, minus 4. And this 2, you already know 0 is a additive identity, so if you add anything you have got same. So as a minus 2 will got. Now minus 4 minus 2, see minus minus is what? Minus minus is plus, plus plus is also plus here. So minus minus plus, so what we have to perform here? We have to perform addition. So 4 plus 2 is what? 6. Now 4 plus 2 is 6, but sign, what sign should I put here? Negative. Why? Because the bigger digit has a negative sign. So the last term we got, which is minus 6. Why this happened? Because this is not a magic square. We got all row 0, we got all column 0, we got one diagonal 0, but the second diagonal we got minus 6. So that's why I cannot say that this is magical square or this is not magic square. So that means automatically this second becomes magic square. So directly I should write this is second one is magic square. No, I have to perform all these things with this square also. In this square you have to find out column 1, column 2, column 3, row 1, row 2, row 3, and these two diagonals also you have to find out. After all answer you got the same, then you can say that the second one is magic square. So that is your homework for today, that you have to find out by yourself. I hope you guys understand all the things. If you don't understand, just go back and repeat again this video, you will understand properly. Okay, so next our question. So here is our next question. So what next question says? Verify this a minus in the bracket minus b is equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. मतलब हमको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे हमको a और b की वैल्यूज दी हुई है. We have given a and b value. We have to put this value in this equation and we have to find out, or is it left hand side is equal to right hand side or not, that we have to prove. So let's take first one. So first of all I'll write this equation what is given in the book. So a plus b. So this one becomes left hand side and this one becomes right hand side, because it is right hand side, so that is right hand side. This is on left hand side, so that is left hand side. LHS, that means left hand side. RHS, that means right hand side. Understand? So the full form of LHS is left hand side and full form of RHS is right hand side. So let's perform this one. So first of all I'll take left hand side, LHS. So what is left hand side? We have a minus in the bracket minus b. Only we have to take left hand side portion. So left hand side portion is a minus in the bracket minus b. That's it. इतना ही हमको लेना है. Then we have to put all this value in the here. So a की वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या है? 21 माइनस जो भी जैसा है सेम एज रखना है, बस a की जगह उसकी वैल्यू रखो, b की जगह वैल्यू रखो, और कुछ भी चेंज नहीं करना है. नाउ b की वैल्यू क्या है? b की वैल्यू 18 है, लेकिन हमारा b क्या है? माइनस. सो यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? b की जगह पे माइनस 18. वाई? यहाँ पे तो प्लस 18 है, यहाँ माइनस कैसे हुआ? दैट शुड बी क्वेश्चन. वो कैसे हुआ? यहाँ पे देखो b हमको कहाँ रखना है? b की खाली वैल्यू रखनी है, बाकी कुछ भी चेंज नहीं करना है. ब्रैकेट ऐसा का ऐसा रखना है. यू हैव टू पुट द सेम ब्रैकेट, पुट सेम साइन, ओनली जस्ट यू हैव टू पुट द वैल्यू whatever the value it is positive, so you have to put positive. It is negative, suppose जब -18 दिया होता तो मैं ऐसे लिखता माइनस इन द स्मॉल ब्रैकेट -18, सो यहाँ फिर माइनस माइनस +18 हो जाता, राइट, बट यहाँ पे हमको पॉजिटिव 18 दिया है, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई विल राइट पॉजिटिव 18. Okay, now I'll open the bracket, so 21. Now here minus minus becomes plus 18. So 8 plus 1 is 9 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So left hand side we got 39. Now same as what I should do here, I have to find out right hand side. So right hand side is what? A plus B. So A plus B. Okay. So A is what? 21 plus B is what? 18. Here simple, कुछ भी चेंज नहीं करना है, कुछ भी ऐड नहीं करना है, कुछ भी सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करना है, कोई साइन चेंज नहीं करना, सीधा क्या करना है, एडिशन करना है. 21 plus 18 ऑलरेडी वी नो 39. सो यहाँ पे देखो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का एडिशन किया, देन वी गॉट 39. इफ वी डिड राइट हैंड साइड एडिशन, still we got 39. So you can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side is true. ये सही है, it is true. Let's perform for the second one. A is equal to 28 and B is equal to 11. So यहाँ पे again question is left hand side हमारा कौन सा है, is equal to A minus in the bracket minus B. Okay, so A is what? 28 minus B is what? 11. So I'll put 11 as it is. So again 28. See, open the bracket now. So open the bracket, minus minus is what? Plus 11. Now do the addition, simple addition. 8 plus 1 is what? 9. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. 39 again. As same as 39 again we got. Now let's do right hand side. RHS is equal to what? A plus B. As you can see here, A plus B. Now A is what? 28 plus B is what? 11. Again 28 plus 11 is what? 39. So here you can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side is true, right? Easy है, ऐसा ही you have to do that. The two sums given in your textbook, that is your homework, you have to practice by yourself. So this is how you can do this. Easy है, सिर्फ ये laws हमको याद रखना है. If you remember this law will follow you till you will learn. जब तक पढ़ोगे तब तक ये लॉ फॉलो होगा. मैथ्स में ये लॉ कभी चेंज नहीं होगा. फॉर एडिशन यू हैव टू डू प्लस प्लस इज प्लस, you have to perform addition. Minus minus is also plus, you have to perform addition. Minus plus minus, that is also you have to perform subtraction. Plus minus is minus, so you have to perform subtraction. But in multiplication you know that in previous video I have explained detail. In multiplication just you have to put sign, not do anything, you have to just put sign in there. So that's how you can do the question number 8. Okay students, तो today हमने क्या किया, हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 सॉल्व किया. वी एक्सप्लेन एंड सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. सो इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल कंटिन्यू विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 एंड टिल नाउ यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस ऑल दिस सम अगेन in your notebook and see by yourself, is it right or wrong, you have to check by yourself. Okay, thank you.